Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple trick to increase your download speed in the Opera GX web browser. And the best part? You don't need any extensions or additional software to do it. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Opera GX web browser. Once you're in, head over to the address bar and type in Chrome, //flag/ and hit enter. This will take you to a page full of experimental features for Opera GX. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it looks. What you need to do next is find the search field at the top. Now, type in parallel downloading. You'll see a feature called parallel downloading with a description that says enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed. To enable this feature, click on the drop-down menu that says default. Then select Enabled. Once you've done that, click on Relaunch to restart your browser and apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully enabled parallel downloading, and your download speed should now be a bit faster. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.